heavy snowstorm had buried the countryside under thick layers of white. Brightfeather the rooster rushed around his farm, staring at the ruins of his coop. The fierce snow had collapsed his roof, and all his grains were lost. He shivered, wings trembling. "I wasn't ready. I didn't store enough food," he muttered, his eyes full of worry. The storm was harsh, and survival seemed uncertain. The cold wind bit at his feathers, and every step was exhausting. Remembering his friend, Mischief the rabbit, who always kept extra food, Brightfeather trudged through the drifts, determined to ask for help. Snowflakes stung his face, but he pressed on, knowing he couldn't face the winter alone. At last, he reached Mischief's burrow. The rabbit peeked out, smiling warmly. "You must be frozen. Come inside quickly." Inside, the burrow was cozy, filled with fresh carrots. Brightfeather explained the disaster of the collapsed coop. Mischief's eyes widened with concern. "Take what you need," he said kindly. "This teaches a lesson. Even the bravest rooster must prepare ahead for storms. And never forget, friends can help in times of need." Brightfeather gratefully accepted the food. "I've learned my lesson," he said. "Next winter, I will be ready." With a bundle of grains, Brightfeather trudged home. The storm had left his coop in ruins, but he carried warmth and wisdom. He now knew to always prepare for challenges before they arrive and to cherish the friends who lend a hand when disaster strikes.